What is good? We got the kicks on today, but they're not that fresh. Sheesh. Kind of beaters. But what is up, everybody? I just got off work. I finished my shift and I couldn't be any more happy. So right now we're gonna go on a drive in the Z, as we always do after work. That's kind of the game plan. But before we leave, I just thought I'd kind of cruise around here because they got some cool cars. So yeah, guys, now we're gonna start the Z and check out some cars and go for a drive. So let's get it. So as you guys know, this is my favorite kind of weather. It's like gloomy, wet. Is that a 5.0 deck? Sheesh. It's not a Nismo, but look at this paint, guys. Just admire the paint. This is like 20-year-old paint right here, and it's still beating off water. Surprisingly, the paint job on my car is pretty good. Hellcat? Huh. Anyways, but oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I installed like footwell lighting, so now I kind of have like cool lights. Gotta let it warm up, you know, just a second. As you guys know, well, you don't know, but I have a muffler delete. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't have my muffler. There's like nothing here. So I just unbolted the muffler, so that's why the car sounds, I think it sounds good. Car's warmed up, so let's cruise around real quick and we'll see if we can find any cool cars. I see a, let me roll my window down for you guys. See a GTO. This is probably like one of the cheapest LS cars you can buy, I think. VHR right there. Let me actually look where I'm going. I don't want to hit any of these freaking cars. We got like an old school Mercedes. Look at this, C5. LS1. Sick. We got two LS1 cars. Ooh, I see a Porsche. You guys didn't know I really like Porsches. I think it's like a Carrera, maybe a 911 turbo. I don't know. Sick though. Oh, there's another one. I didn't even know. Oh, there's like a line of Porsches. So we got that one. We got the little Boxer. We got this one, and we got this one, and we got another VHR. Nice. All right, so let's show you guys what I really came here for. All right. So we got my Z right here, right? And I was looking around here yesterday just to see what kind of cars they had and stuff like that. Look what I found, guys. I found my twin, but I'm kind of jealous because his rims, or this Z's rims, are a lot cleaner than mine. This one has the updated headlights, which I'm freaking salty about. I'm also salty because this Z has all the trim pieces. If you come look at mine, it's missing all the trim pieces, which these are like $40 a piece. And this isn't painted, it's like black. Also, my freaking bumper has that. It's like disgusting. I do have the Brembos though, because I got a special edition. They got the stock brakes, so that's good about my car. But then it's got like really nice mirrors, and then look at mine. It's freaking. It also has the updated taillights. I just have the single bulb taillights. But there's so many good parts on this car that I wish I could just transfer over to my car. But anyways, let's get on the road, guys, because I'm already wasting enough time and my GoPro's about to die. So cool. All right, we are sending it. It does not get better than this, guys. Just back roads, nice cool weather. Roads are a little wet. That's still good. It's good for the 350Z at least. Whoa. Slow your roll, buddy. Manual transmission, of course. All right. Whoa, look at that bird right there. It's like a freaking prehistoric pterodactyl looking. Don't go, I'm going. Gotta be careful because the roads are wet. So if we start to lose traction, that would be very bad. It's not too bad though because I'm on all season tires, so, but you can't be too safe. If you guys made it this far in the video, give the video a big thumbs up because gas prices right now are so expensive. So I'm doing this for you guys. So crazy to me, guys. This car only has a muffler delete and it freaking burbles, it pops sometimes. Like, I save weight, like, you know, I believe the muffler is like 30 something pounds, so you know, with the muffler delete on this car, you can't really beat it, honestly. I mean, unless you got a Tome, but those things are so expensive. Alright, I think we're good. If you guys watch the videos, I hit this particular back road a lot because like where I live, there's literally like no other ones. So I'm pretty familiar with it. I know, you know, when to lift off, you know, if the tail gets a little too squirmy, but I think we're good. The roads are just dry enough. I think that's a cop right there, so let me just be cautious. Cops chill on these roads all the time, and it is a cop. No, it's not, but still. Like I said, guys, can't be too safe. I do not want to get pulled over right now. That is not what I am wanting. Cool little roundabout, get some downshifts in. Let's take this with the oh, we gotta go now if we're gonna go. All right, send it. Let's be careful. We might lift a little. Oh, it wasn't too bad. All right, we're gonna hit a little U-turn here. I did not just turn off traction. Ooh. I got scared, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I bailed. Woo. We are moving. Perfect. not going. So we are gonna go. Damn, bro, you're gonna cut me off? The heck? This is getting intense. Definitely need to brake a lot right here. Hold it. Hold it. Sorry guys, that was so intense. I might have been a little over dramatic, but that was pretty sick. I smell all the fumes of the VQ. I don't know, we might be burning oil. Either way, I'm doing this for you guys. So if I blow up my DE, you guys will cover it. It's all good. All right, there's a lot of traffic, so. All right, guys, I believe my GoPro is like literally about to die. So if you didn't make it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for all the love and support. Drop a comment down below if you want another POV, and smash that like button, guys, as well as subscribe. I'm out, guys.